Ladies and gentlemen, Azizan Eman, I welcome you to Soldier Speaks. Today we had a far-right rally on the streets of London, in central London. We have sent our special reporter Ashraf Khan Pathan over there, and he'll be reporting on ground. आज जो है वो लंदन के अंदर जो इस वक्त अगर कहा जाए कि जो एक्सट्रीमिस्ट एलिमेंट जिनको कहा जाता है यहाँ की सियासत के अंदर, जो कि एक नैरेटिव ख़ास किस्म का प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं जिनको बिलियनियर्स की सपोर्ट है. दीज पीपल आर बीइंग सपोर्टेड बाय बिलियनियर्स. द फार राइट रैली, टॉमी रॉबिन्सन जो इसको सपोर्ट कर रहा है, और उसके साथ साथ एक ऑपोजिशन रैली भी चली, वो भी हम आपको बताएंगे और उसका भी छोटा सा क्लिप दिखाएंगे. लेकिन बजाय इसके कि मैं आपको यहाँ से तमाम बातें बताऊँ, मैं आपको लेके चलता हूँ सेंट्रल लंदन, जहाँ पे अशरफ खान पठान रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं सोल्जर स्पीक्स को. जी अशरफ, रिपोर्ट कीजिएगा.
Hi there, this is Ashraf Khan. Good afternoon. Member of National Union of Journalists and reporting for Soldier Speaks. I'm here right now in Westminster near the Parliament, and you can see the great mob here that walked all the way through Aldwych, Strand, Whitehall, and now the Parliament. You got Tommy Robinson, who's addressing the people on exactly how the new developments will take place. So you can see the number of people here with the United Kingdom march with British flags around here and listening very calm and composedly what exactly has been said here. I'm here and I'm actually covering the whole event. So you can see the great move. We'll try and connect with someone and let you know what exactly is happening here and why is the presence of people here so accomplished. Be in touch.
Of unvetted, illegal migrants coming over on boats that we don't know who they are, raping our children, raping our women. It needs to stop. It really needs to stop.
Where are you from exactly?
Nottingham.
And why are you here?
To support Tommy in the illegal migration and the rape of our children.
What do you think the immigration is impacting away, and why Nigel Farage is also raising the bar? What do you think is the reason behind that?
I don't believe in Nigel Farage, if I'm honest. It's Rupert Lowe.
Tommy Robinson, why?
Because he's the one that brought to attention about the grooming gangs that the government tried to cover up for over 15 years.
What do you think people coming here, Tommy Robinson, you guys around, will impact?
Say that again?
Why do you think you here, Tommy Robinson here, a good chunk, a good crowd, will impact to UK in the United Kingdom march?
The more, the merrier. The government are going to listen eventually. It's only going to get bigger and bigger and bigger.
Before on the one end, Nigel Farage, on the other end, Tommy Robinson. Are you thinking these are the change coming guys?
Nigel Farage is not the change. Rupert Lowe is the change.
Why Tommy Robinson is the change? Why do you think that way?
Because he's right in what he's against. And he's against the illegal migration because of the rape of our children. Over the last 15 years, the government have tried to cover it up, the police have tried to cover it up, the council have tried to cover it up, social services have tried to cover it up. Tommy Robinson, against all odds, is the man who brought it to attention. He's a good man.
Do you think immigrants should not be here?
No. Immigrants should be here. Illegal immigrants, no, because we've not vetted. We don't know who they are. The murderers, the paedophiles, the drug dealers. We don't know who they are.
We do not know who they are. Being here would impact the system, running NHS, transport. Who will run the government?
The NHS is down anyway. It's kaput. There's not enough funding without the illegal immigrants. It's not about that. It's about the children. It's really about the children.
Do you think the trains, the system, the transport, which is privatized, should go back to the British government?
The what, sorry?
The trains, which have been privatized or running private contracts, should go back the old way it used to be with the government.
No, because the government are just going to scam it every which way they can. The government are wrong. We need government, but The people in power are so corrupt, it's unreal.
A short message for Keir Starmer and the people of the UK.
Keir Starmer, you're a wanker. Go. Resign. Resign.
Ladies and gentlemen, there was an opposition rally there as well. अजीज़ान मन यहाँ पे एक opposition की rally भी हुई है. उसका clip मैंने आपको promise किया था कि आपको लाजमी दिखाएंगे. ये clip जो है ये भी हम आपको दिखाना चाहते हैं. Opposition जो है वो उल्टा immigrants को welcome कर रही है और fascist को कहती है कि तुम यहाँ से दफ़ा हो जाओ लंदन से. बड़ा मतलब कि कंट्रास्ट है और बड़ा ज़बरदस्त खूबसूरत कंट्रास्ट है और डेमोक्रेसी की यही जो है खूबसूरती है. एंड दैट इज़ व्हाई वी आर ऑल फॉर डेमोक्रेसी एंड वी आर नॉट फॉर फैशिज्म. देखिएगा.
I love that flag, that is amazing. I did the True Patriot on here on this lodge. It's loving, peaceful, inclusive. I don't know what's going on the other one, but it is great. So this is the best of Britain, the True Patriots.
Right, we are British Iranians and we've been invited by Tommy Robinson to join this rally. We have the same cause as all the British people, patriots. We want Islam out of our beautiful country and we've seen what happens. We don't want the same thing to happen to the UK, so we want the people to wake up. We want to represent the Iranian people inside Iran. We want to be their voice because the internet has been shut off for about over 75 days. So we want to be their voice as well. So this is a perfect opportunity for us to be their voice as well as be the British public's voice. What we want is the Islamic regime gone from our country. And what we also want is not the same thing to happen to UK, what happened to Iran. So we are the living future of the UK. If they don't stop what's happening here, in 10 years' time, the same thing that happened to Iran will happen to UK.
So there's on one side, I'm sorry for the interruption. On one side, there's Nigel Farage, and on one side, there's Tommy Robinson. Why Tommy Robinson?
Because he's a true patriot and he speaks without fear. And he represents all the nations, all four nations, Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland, England, the whole United Kingdom. So he speaks for all of them. And he also supports Iranian people, Persians, and he supports our cause. He actively promotes us. So he's a really good ally to us. So, yeah.
China, there was a recent war between Iran and the United States, and there were allies and there were foes. What do you think, why you find a common platform between you as Persian, Iranian, and United Kingdom? What's the same cause? What's the same reason that puts you here?
Well, the reason that pulls us here is we want our country back. We want the Islamic regime gone. The Islamic regime needs to go from that region. If we want peace in the region, in Middle East, and in the rest of the world, we need IRGC, the Islamic regime, to go. And the only people who are making it happen is President Trump and Netanyahu. So the Americans and the Israeli people are with us, are supporting our cause. We have British people who are supporting our cause. So we need more people to join in. If we want peace in the Middle East and the rest of the world, we need this regime to go, the Islamic regime to go.
Last question. How do you think Tommy Robinson is supporting your cause?
Well, he speaks without any filters. He speaks without any censorship. He speaks without any fear. So, and he speaks with lots of love. He brings people together. He brings all nationalities together for a single cause, and that's unity. So that's why I think it's very important to support him and return the support that he's giving us.
Do you feel a sense of racism around love?
Not at all. All love. All love. Everyone was happy to see us with our Persian flags, with our Lion and Sun flags. They were all cheering us on, and like lots of hugs, lots of fist bumps and everything. So there was no racism at all.
Thank you, Tomas.
No.
Is a fundamental act of national sovereignty. And the failure to do so is not just an abdication of one of our most basic duties owed to our people. It is an urgent threat to the fabric of our societies and the survival of our civilization itself. We want allies who are proud of their culture and of their heritage, who understand that we are heirs to the same great and noble civilization, and who together with us are willing and able to defend it. An alliance is the alliance that we want is one that is not paralyzed into inaction by fear. Fear of climate change, fear of war, fear of technology. Instead, we want an alliance that boldly races into the future. And the only fear we have is the fear of the shame of not leaving our nations prouder, stronger, and wealthier for our children. We should be proud of what we achieved together in the last century. But now we must confront and embrace the opportunities of a new one. Because yesterday is over.
Let me tell you why. I just got back from America. Okay? I was shown so much love there. Let me tell you why it's important. Why that man is important as well.
Jito, ladies and gentlemen, Aziz Aneman, this was the far right rally, and you've also seen the opposition. There are two sides of a coin. It is up to you which side you're going to choose. ये हकीकत है, बाकी सब फसाने हैं. Soldier Speaks आपको दोनों तरफ की स्टोरी दिखा रहा है. कहा यह गया था कि 3 मिलियन लोग मौजूद हैं, लेकिन इंडिपेंडेंट लोग ये बताते हैं कि 50,000 से ज़्यादा लोग मौजूद नहीं थे. और विजुअल्स आपके सामने हैं. कमेंट्स के अंदर बताइए कि आपको क्या लगता है ये फार राइट की जो रैली है, क्या ये कामयाब हुई है या कामयाब नहीं हुई. कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा. प्लीज़ डू लेट अस नो, डू यू थिंक दैट इट वाज अ सक्सेसफुल रैली बाय द टॉमी रॉबिन्सन्स एंड his kind, or the opposition's voice is more strong. It is up to you to decide which way this society is heading. Thank you so very much for joining us. This is Soldier Speaks, and we thank Ashraf Khan, and we also thank Narinder Kaur for presenting us the opposition camp's visual images. Thank you so very much. Take care. Khuda Hafiz.